speaking a little bit lighter.
Day 3.
So we are on day 3 of our wine advent calendar. Now we talked about yesterday's wine and said we were going to try it when it was cold. So we let it actually chill down. I didn't care for it even cold, so my rating stays the same, 5.5.
Yeah, I think my rating was originally 6.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. I would probably say a 5.5. Having it cold really didn't affect the flavor too much. It was still really sweet. I think it's a nice semi-sweet wine for people who like Moscatos or yeah. So
just a little too heavy sweet for me as a wine. So okay, so what do you think today's wine is going to be, red or white?
I think it's going to be another white.
Another white?
Yeah, because I don't think it's going to go red, white, red.
I think it's going to alternate.
You do?
Yeah.
That's so
I know, it's
expected.
lame. Yeah, lame, but I think it's going to be a red today.
Okay, I think it's white.
Screw top or cork?
Cork. I'm solid on my answer. Cork all the way through.
Really?
I think since the first 2 had corks and it was a white sangria, the second one, I think for sure all of them are gonna have corks. I don't think they would incorporate a screw top.
Okay. I think.
Ooh, what if it's a rosé? It's kind of white, kind of a red. I think it's white.
I'm gonna say cork. I think it's red. I think it's red. So I'll let you do the honors.
Okay. This bothers me. This doesn't rip perfectly. Okay, it has a red cap, and it's a red Cabernet.
Ooh.
Right.
France, huh?
Yeah. Champs de Foin. Foin?
Foin.
Foin?
Yeah.
Nice.
Don't read it yet.
Okay.
All right, cool.
Nice. Wine glasses.
Ooh. Right. Is it my turn again to do the foil?
Yeah.
I gotta get good at this sitting down. It's not really my thing. But,
Sitting down, opening the bottle is really awkward.
Yeah.
And it's awkward because it's a little bottle too. I don't think it's just because you're sitting. I think it's just like tiny.
That's true.
It's hard to hold, kind
I
of.
didn't think of that. Not bad. Not bad at all.
What?
Another little baby cork.
So, are you gonna change your idea whether you think some of them are twist off?
I don't know.
No? You're giving me a weird look.
I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, doesn't smell good.
Mm.
It smells like musty.
It does smell musty. It smells moldy, actually.
Yeah, I know. So,
Interesting.
the cork smells moldy to me and to you. I smelled it like immediately
Yeah, that's
after.
weird.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So we're gonna pour it, see what it smells like in the glass.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't know. Do you drink moldy wine? Is wine moldy?
Wine can be corked. I mean, but this looks like I don't know. It does look like the wine has slowly
Bled into the cork a little bit.
which means maybe there's air in it.
Yeah.
Could just be a bad one. Or
Yeah.
Does it smell weird?
No.
It could just be the cork. I don't know.
Maybe a hair of vinegar, but I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. We're gonna start with a little bit.
Just to see. All right. I don't smell. What do you think? Do you think it smells okay?
I think it smells fine. Yeah. The cork was definitely weird though.
Yeah. So this is a Cabernet Sauvignon from France. Champs de Foin.
Champs de Foin.
Champs de Foin.
Champs. I don't know.
All right. So I'm smelling a little bit of that.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hint of mold.
It's a little blue cheese. This
Forest
is the blue
floor.
cheese of yeah, no, it's
Mushrooms in the earth. No. Yeah, I can see what you're smelling.
yeah, I don't know.
I'm not gonna read the thing yet.
Okay. So on the nose, what do you smell?
I just told him.
Oh, you were serious. I
No.
thought you were making a joke. I thought she was
No,
making a joke.
no, I wasn't serious.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I smell a lot of alcohol.
Yeah.
Hits my nose with a lot of alcohol. You can't really smell. It's definitely darker fruit, purpley fruit. If I had to.
Yeah.
It's definitely alcohol heavy. What year is this?
I also feel like I got that initial whiff of that cork, and I don't know if it's just in my nose or what. So.
These might all be non-vintage.
Oh, the one was 24. Yeah, it says 2024.
Oh,
2024. So this is
there you go. I'm just
very
lying.
young cab. Okay, cheers.
Yeah, it's a lot of alcohol on the nose. Purple fruit. I smell like herbal.
I do
I
smell.
smell
like,
musty,
yeah,
but
I
I don't know
smell-
if that's the cork.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Interesting.
Yeah.
You don't like it?
I don't know if I like it.
It gives me Bordeaux.
Yeah.
It tastes a lot like Bordeaux, which could make sense.
It's French.
It's French. It's Cab. Probably has Cab Franc in it. I wonder if this is 100% Cabernet Sauvignon. I don't think so.
Cab blending thing.
Yeah, but wouldn't you have to call it a blend?
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I don't know what French winemaking laws are.
I don't taste moldy.
No, it tastes pretty good actually.
Yeah, it's not bad. It tastes a lot like Bordeaux.
Yeah, it's very dry though.
It is dry. It sucks
Like-
your mouth
Yeah,
dry. A lot of tannins. It has quite a long finish.
but it makes
Okay.
sense because it's a 24, so it's very young.
Those tannins haven't smoothed out yet.
Right.
Yeah, it's a young wine. One more.
It's kind of like
One more. Not bad. It is very dry.
it's super dry.
Sucks your mouth dry. Makes you go like this.
Yeah, it's on your
On your tongue.
It needs food though.
I would agree.
I think this is a wine that definitely needs food to
I
kind of.
feel like this would go really nice with fatty food, like a fatty steak, ribeye, lamb.
I was gonna say lamb. It was right in my mind.
Something fatty and rich where you want something to like kind of
Like
take that off your mouth
right.
a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. I taste black currant,
It's definitely like dark
dark
fruit.
plummy, purple fruits,
Yeah.
blackberry, currant. There is some like earthy flavors, but I feel like Bordeaux's are always
Dusty.
dusty. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's a good word. Dusty.
Dusty. Bordeaux's are dusty, and I wonder what like region.
Dusty crusty, yes. They
Okay.
pack some mold in the fucking.
I was gonna.
This cork is really funky.
Yeah. It's very funky. And it-
Should I show him?
Yeah, you can go close up on the cork here.
Close up on the cork. It just looks kind of weird. And you can see where the wine kind of seeped through here. It's just kind of moldy colored too. It doesn't taste bad.
No.
I really thought by smelling the cork that it would be corked, or it would have been turned, but it really doesn't. Really doesn't taste bad.
Okay, so it says this Cabernet Sauvignon.
Oh, you're reading that.
Yes. From Pays d'Oc. I don't know if I'm saying that.
Pays de Oak. There's some. Okay, go ahead.
I don't know if I'm saying that right, but go ahead. Displays intense aromas of ripe red fruit and dark fruit. Complemented by spicy undertones, the bouquet is further enriched by subtle oaky notes with hints of toasted wood and vanilla. Adding depth and complexity to the wine's aromatic profile. So, I don't know.
I don't know if I taste vanilla.
I don't know. I definitely don't taste vanilla.
Maybe
but
some oak, but
I'm wondering if the wood that I'm getting is like I don't know if it's the cork or
And
if
dusty.
if it's the actual wine. It says it
Mold
is
growing on wood, trees in the forest. And
so. This says it's a 2024 product of France, red wine. So anything that's red wine, I feel like might be blended.
Yeah. So I think it's really helpful to scan it and look on the website because they tell you a little bit more about.
Yeah. Also, that cork, it's like such a pungent smell. I can.
It really
the
is.
cork
It's
is
a mold smell.
Sitting here, I can smell the cork and like. It's affecting how I'm like thinking of the wine here.
It's okay to be drinking the wine, right?
I hope. It's alright, just moldy French mold.
If we're not back for day 4.
If we're not here for day 4, you know what happened.
That's scary.
It's scary.
We got a lot of wines to get there. What is this, 3?
Yeah.
So it says the same thing as he just mentioned, toasted wood, vanilla, which I don't agree with vanilla. Diverse and expressive wines. A history of Cabernet in this region is a tale of adaptation and innovation. While Cabernet Sauvignon is traditionally associated with Bordeaux, it found a new home in the sun-soaked vineyards of Pays d'Oc in the late 20th century. Rich fruit flavors, robust tannins, so it definitely has a lot of tannins. It sits on your mouth a lot. Flexibility of Pays d'Oc allowed winemakers to experiment and blend Cabernet Sauvignon with other varieties, leading to a wide range of styles and expressions. The adaptability has made Pays d'Oc Cabernet a favorite among wine enthusiasts worldwide. Interesting. Pair it with lamb chops, aged cheddar, beef stew, and grilled steak. I wonder if we could just Google a little bit more just about Champs
De Foin. Where's?
It says variety Cabernet Sauvignon. It doesn't say blended with anything.
Well, you heard it here. This is a Sauvignon, Cabernet Sauvignon from France. Rating.
On 3. This is hard.
It is.
Do I like this more or less than the first one?
I don't even remember my score from 2 days ago.
I feel like we scored it like 8?
I think you did an 8. I did a 7.5.
5 probably.
Okay, ready?
No. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 7.5.
Oh damn! I'm just gonna say 7. That's what I think it's
Is that what
7.
you're gonna say?
Yeah. I don't like it as much as the first
I'm always
one.
slightly higher than you,
Yeah.
but he's a really harsh critic about.
I don't like it as much as the first one, but I do like it, and I think like if you had like an older, this might be good after like after being cellared for a little while. I mean, it's so like I think it needs some time.
I taste some oak now.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it needs to open up a little bit.
Maybe. It's a bit fuller bodied than the first one, day 1.
Yeah.
Day 1 was a little bit lighter, more red fruit, cherry. This is a little bit deeper.
Yeah, but I don't mind. It is very Bordeaux style, I think.
I agree.
Yeah.
Tastes just like Bordeaux.
And I like a Bordeaux.
I
So
do too.
I say 7. I think it probably has something to do with like how like the time. If it
Probably. It's a yeah.
it's 1 year
bottled
it's
last
1
year,
year
not
old,
even
so
1 year.
it might be that, but I do like it. So
Drink some more poison.
well, if we're not here for day 4, you know why. So remember that. Only got through 3 days of our Advent calendar.
That would be sad, wouldn't it?
So tomorrow, white or red?
I don't know. Like now that you said it goes red, white, white.
Think it's white again?
I don't think so. That's so predictable. That's so disappointing if that's how it goes.
Think red again?
I don't know. I
I'm
really
gonna,
thought today would be white.
well, I'm gonna say white. I think it's gonna go red, white, white.
Really?
I think it's gonna alternate.
How boring.
I know. Oh, you can't control the box, so we'll see. That's part of the mystery. So tune back in tomorrow
Yep.
for day 4. I think it's going to be a white wine. Kendra thinks it's going to be a.
I don't know.
Oh, there's only 2. You can.
Probably
50-50.
a white wine, yeah.
Okay.
I guess.
All right, we both say white.
Yeah.
Cork or screw top?
Cork. Cork all the way. All of them are gonna have cork.
White screw top. That's my.
Right?
guess.
Screw top.
Yeah.
From where?
I don't have it.
Australia.
Tune back in tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
7.3. It's the little cut at the end.
7.3.